Works closely with XAI. Like you've seen how many humanoid robot startups exist now. It's wild. I think Jensen Huang was up there with what looked like a dozen humanoid bots from all kinds of companies. It's actually kind of insane. Part of what's been slowing me down too is this internal battle I've got. I mean, nobody really wants to wake up one day in a real-life Terminator world, do they? You work hard all day and the last thing you want when you get home is a mountain of chores waiting for you. Just imagine walking into a place that's already spotless, organized, and peaceful like magic. That's the exact kind of future Elon Musk has in mind with Tesla's Optimus bot. People are dreaming of it, but not everyone is convinced just yet. Can a robot actually manage everything around the house? It's still hard to believe for many folks, especially since we've only seen Optimus in a few Tesla demo clips. Not many have seen it working with their own eyes. Now imagine you're asked this: if a Tesla bot could clean your home up to 10 hours a day, would you buy it? The answers pop out fast. Absolutely yes, if the price is reasonable and affordable. Of course, who wouldn't want something that vacuums, mops, does the cooking, and maybe even handles the laundry so we can finally focus on the stuff that matters most? But like always, real life adds a few complications. Many people, especially those living on pensions or monthly support checks, ask if such a machine would ever be in their budget, and even if they could manage the cost, would the bot really cook meals? Or would it just roll around waving a mop without really helping? And now, quick timeout. If you're loving this Tesla bot story and want to hear more insider updates, just pause and look at that red button below. Yup, that subscribe one. We've got only 24 awesome subscribers right now, but hey, how cool would it be to say, I was here when Amp Drive had just 24 fans? Yeah, that early. Be part of our origin story. Tap that button and let's grow this futuristic community together. Trust me, you'll love what's coming next. Alright, back to it. So what's the latest update on Tesla Optimus 53? Elon Musk's recent post on X teasing the next-gen Optimus model with just a mysterious, Optimus 53 is going to be fire, plus a short but jaw-dropping video of it in action totally blew up across tech circles and households alike. It looked like a major step forward from Tesla's side, especially for home chores and cleaning, which more and more families care about these days. Pulling from Tesla's latest official info and the non-stop online buzz, it looks like Optimus 53 is on track to completely reshape our home routines. The Gen 2 version already danced and cracked eggs. Now the latest one is dusting furniture, vacuuming, and even helping out in the kitchen, stirring sauces and touching appliances like a pro. Imagine having a robot best friend who's got your back not only emotionally but practically too, cleaning your house, trimming the lawn, taking the dog out, watching over the kids, maybe even tutoring them, and also helping create real-world services and products. Musk said during the April 2025 earnings call that Tesla plans to build thousands by the end of this year and shoot for producing 1 million every year in just 4 years. That's bold and exciting. You'll be able to personalize your Optimus bot too, changing its voice, tweaking its behavior, even teaching it your favorite ways to do things. It'll slowly get to know you better, just like a human helper. Sometimes you won't even need to say anything. The bot will just pick up your mood or habits and respond accordingly, and it gets smarter every day, especially with Grok voice AI integrated. That's XAI's tech, confirmed by Musk himself. That update adds language understanding and the ability to watch online tutorial videos, then perform tasks just by learning visually. Tesla engineer Milan Kovic shared that detail, which shows just how versatile these bots can become. Very soon we could have robots navigating rooms, changing how they clean depending on the space or mess, and that $20,000 dream price. It's no longer just talk, it's starting to look possible. Imagine a bot watching YouTube how-tos just like we do, then learning to do chores you'd normally pay someone for. Suddenly the bot becomes your part-time chef, gardener, cleaner, teacher, and helper, all in one device. And Elon Musk isn't shy about saying this robot's efficiency could make everyone want one or two at least, whether for home or factory use. But let's be honest, household help is the key here. It's where most people will feel the difference. Nobody's spending 20 grand for a bot that just stands in a factory all day unless it helps at home. First, in Tesla's most recent video clip, Optimus shows off big time. It's doing more than ever. Handling trash bags, twisting off jar lids, tossing stuff out, wiping tables, tearing paper towels, stirring pots, vacuuming floors, even pulling curtains open or shut. And that's just what's in the spotlight. Earlier demos showed it checking mail, giving drinks, folding shirts, straightening the kitchen, watering houseplants, popping the trunk open to grab items, playing family games, dancing, and answering questions. It's honestly mind-blowing that this much happened in under 2 years. Tesla Confirmed. Optimus understands voice and even reads your expressions and gestures. That's a game changer, especially for people who struggle with communication. They can just point and Optimus gets it right away. Plus, unlike us, this bot doesn't need rest breaks or caffeine. With a 52-volt 2.3 kWh battery in Gen 1, it ran for hours. The Gen 2 model dropped weight from 160 to 138 pounds, which likely made it more energy efficient too. It can carry 45 pounds like it's nothing, and its fingers. Pure engineering genius. 22 degrees of freedom, meaning it can hold tools and manage small objects with skill. Not only does Optimus run vacuums or cook simple meals, it saves time like crazy. Imagine waking up to breakfast already made or coming home to spotless floors and a clean kitchen every single day. And as the bot keeps learning, it only improves. But wait, there's more. This bot can even help out on farms, trimming plants, watering, fertilizing, and Musk even said it could thread a needle, which is honestly harder than it sounds. It can teach kids, read bedtime stories, assist with homework, and even provide fast facts for seniors. It might become an essential caregiver, helping people move, eat, bathe, or remember medications. Alzheimer's patients would benefit hugely. There's even talk of DIY tasks it can handle, like changing light bulbs, fixing outlets, and warning of gas or electrical issues. Now imagine all of that in one machine for $20,000. That's wild. Musk's long-term dream? Robots like Optimus replacing humans in boring, dangerous, or exhausting jobs, but the big mission is helping millions at home, mowing lawns, making meals, looking after grandparents. We're not just dreaming here. This vision has legs. Musk says a few units will be out by end of 2025 and mass production goals are locked in. Optimus already went from Gen 1 dancing to Gen 2 cooking. Now the teased Optimus 53 shows even more progress. Engineer Milan Kovic confirmed Grok is in there, and that's huge. It means the robot can actually listen, understand, and even learn from videos online, something no other home bot has nailed yet. If Optimus keeps growing like this, you'll have a robot within 3 years that can manage daily chores on its own, and not just basic tasks either. Stuff that feels custom to your home and lifestyle instead of random code updates every year like phones. Optimus improves daily. Elon Musk is betting big on it and aiming to make billions of them, just like he's doing with EVs. The Gen 3 model drops this November, but honestly don't expect that $20,000 price to stick around. Tesla has a habit of launching with bold targets that get adjusted. Gen 3 is coming quick, and it's supposed to be a big step ahead. During the Q1 earnings call, Musk shared that Optimus will take over factory jobs this year and start helping regular customers by late 2025. Already over 100 bots are working in Tesla plants, with thousands more expected soon. Tesla's building Gen 1 and Gen 2 bots while prepping a sleeker, smarter Gen 3 with new arms, better brains, and even more independence. Plus, you know Tesla loves surprises. We'll find out more next month. Musk recently admitted that redesigning Optimus for large-scale production is tough. It's not just about making a cool robot, it's about making one easy to build affordably at scale. That's always been the hard part. Same story with the Cybertruck. Great design, painful launch. Gen 3 has probably gone through big changes behind the scenes to make sure it can be built quickly and affordably, and that's why we think a $20,000 price might be too hopeful, more like $100,000 at the start, especially with all these cutting-edge features. But like with EVs, prices will drop later. Realistically, it'll take time before the robot becomes a daily home assistant, but it's heading there. Musk said it might babysit, teach kids, walk dogs, mow grass, pick up groceries, or even become your buddy or bartender. Basically whatever you imagine. Still, people ask if it's safe to bring a robot into a home with kids or seniors. Can we trust it to care for our loved ones? Are we ready to live with humanoid machines? No surprise, many are cautious, especially with sci-fi movies painting scary pictures, but Musk says this isn't Terminator. This is more like our 2D2 and C3PO, fun, helpful, friendly, and smart. He even joked that a robot that's a mix of those two would be awesome, and honestly, who wouldn't want that? Right now Optimus can only do maybe a third of what it's capable of. Most buyers want a robot that can cook safely, help with kids, manage meds, run the washer, and keep things clean. Once it nails all those tasks, it won't just be a cool gadget, it'll be a total game changer. So what's new with Optimus 53 compared to Gen 3? Well, Optimus 53 isn't some wobbly prototype anymore. It walks, lifts things, navigates, and works around real humans without tripping up. In a new demo, it strolled through the Texas battery plant with no help from anyone, smoothly avoiding people and objects just like a trained worker. No jerky motion, no remote control, full autonomy. This shows Optimus could work not just in factories but homes, stores, even city streets. It's now building 3D maps just like Tesla's cars do, and the best part? It shares those maps with other Optimus units, which means once one bot learns a space every bot knows it. That's shared intelligence, and it's huge. But here's the real kicker: the hands. Tesla upgraded them big time. 22 degrees of freedom, nearly like a real human hand. That's double Gen 2's range. Each finger has tendon-like structures replacing springs with 4 tendons per finger, plus better sensors for pressure and movement. It means the bot can lift fragile items or heavy tools, even peeled eggs, without cracking them. And Musk wasn't kidding when he said it could play piano or thread a needle. Now here's something cool: it charges itself, no plugging in needed. It uses its rear camera to find a station and docks automatically, completely solo. It can even call other robots for help if one bot is busy and another is closer to a tool or item it needs. That bot can deliver it. Teamwork like that is rare in robots, and Optimus does it right. It now handles stairs, rough surfaces, tight hallways, things that even top robots can't master easily. In Tesla's recent We Robot event, 50 Optimus bots mingled with real guests, passed out snacks and drinks. It was the biggest humanoid robot event ever. Yes, some things were remote controlled like speech, but Tesla made its point: they're ready to scale this. Where's it all going? Musk says they want thousands in Tesla factories next year and a limited batch out to customers in 2026. First they'll keep improving hands and dexterity. That's what makes or breaks home robots. Eventually Optimus could work with seniors, walk dogs, clean bathrooms, mow yards, or even help in classrooms. The price will start high, but like Tesla's cars, it'll drop over time, maybe even hit $30,000, and that's way cheaper than a new car. And unlike your car, Optimus works all day. It might even earn money for you someday. Tesla wants up to 2 billion Optimus bots in homes and workplaces, from logistics and restaurants to care homes and classrooms. Would you let a robot help with your kids or elderly parents? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We really want to hear what you think. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to discover even more futuristic updates about Tesla EVs and Tesla bots, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your tech-loving friends. Also make sure to subscribe to Amp Drive and hit the bell icon so you never miss a beat. We appreciate every bit of support and can't wait to see you in our next video. Take care and stay futuristic.